isuzu 2013, and look what I have today. So before anything, I gotta go with the Diagnostic IDS software to see what cause I got, and from there I can diagnostic. Exhaust system, that's not a region issue, that's a SCR, could be NOx, could be DF level sensor, could be many, could be SCR filter, no good, but it's not a, that light is not a region issue, that's SCR. So that's could be a NOx problem. Okay, now we have on the software, we're getting on the software, that's the code I got. See on the engine say diesel exhaust fluid control module request eliminations, and on the diesel they say it's diesel exhaust fluid tank temperature sensor circuit voltage high, so it's that code is active. So from there I have to find that code. Could be a level no good, could be a wire broke, so I gotta go see it. So right here is the DF level sensor right here. So what I do is I do visual. So if there's any wire broke somewhere, seems like it's okay. See? Let's see. So maybe water getting. Let me see. It's nothing. I see has a tape here, so I'm gonna remove it and we're gonna see. So first thing I gotta unplug, and I'm gonna see if it has power here, power, ground, and signal. If that's the thing, has everything, that means the level sensor no good, alright? The other way is to diagnostic this circuit. If you go right here, you see, let me see. Okay, here you go. Okay, you click here, it's gonna send you to the troubleshooting, you see. If you go all the way down, it's gonna tell you to do a step by step. See, even though if you click here, it's gonna show you the pictures, you see. If you scroll down, you see, they show you the picture and everything. See what wires. So this software is the best software I ever see. This is gonna be a little bit hard because I got it my power proof. So I'm gonna see. I got it down. I got it 4.7 voltage, which is okay, and the third one I got 4.7. So I got a 4.7, and the other one I have 4.7. So as that means the troubleshooting telling me that if it's more than 3.4 voltage, it's okay. So I have, look, I have 4.7, and then I have ground, so which is good. Ground 4.8, 4.7. The battery is getting low, so should be 4. That's okay, 4.7 voltage. So that's okay. So the problem is the DF level sensor not good. Okay, that's how you check. I have to replace it, reset the coils, good to go. So it's time to replace the DF level sensor. It's not difficult, that's simple. Take this cover out. See the cover out right here. Take those 2 bolts, 14. Take the coolant. There's 2 holes, coolant and DF. Careful, that's the clips. Do not break. You gotta press it and pop. Alright? Okay. Gotta let it out. Got it. Yes. Okay. There you go. Right here. See? These clips, you gotta press it careful in the bottom and the top. It's like you gotta press. It's like a tool that you need to buy, but I use it to flat screwdrivers, and press it here and press it on the bottom, and the other one I press it on the side, so it's pop right here, this one, and the tank come out. Okay, you gotta be very careful. See what I do is I press it here, and somebody from the bottom help me out with like pressing in the bottom too. In the same time you gotta press from here, so it's gonna come out. Careful, those clips break easily because it's a plastics. All right, we almost about to remove the tank. So as soon as you remove this line and this one, the coolant is gonna come out. So make sure you got something so you can plug this one, block this one. All right. Okay, you see, I remove 2 holes, and I put plugs so I don't miss my coolant. I use it 3/8 extensions. See, I put right here, and the other one. The coolant doesn't come on no more. The tank is coming out. Alright. Okay, so that's the tank. And to remove the level, so you just gotta turn it like something like harder. Somebody got to wait. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's the level set. That's the DF coolant. I got the old one on the ground. I got the new one installed. See? Okay, that's the new one. And that's the old one. New one. We finished replacing the DF level sensor. Let's go see the codes now if the codes are inactive. Okay. Let's see. Our history, it passed. So the top one says current, but they say a warning light. But the bottom one, it passed. So it's inactive. So we fix this problem the way to Diagnostic and fix the problem. All right. We delete the codes and do a reading. The truck is good to go. All right. See you next time. Any comments in the bottom or anything, you can like the video. Thank you.